In today's recap, getting started over on the S&P this morning, big macro view staying above the 200, looking for movements up to 62.31. Made a big head fake through that, strong move all the way back to the big macro price. Start out in that macro 10 this morning, off the key price level, off the bottom of the channel, right at opening, set up along off the SR1, strength right through the midpoint at 1350. Moved up, retested the top of the channel, setting up a few opportunities to get back in long, moved all the way up. Just didn't have any more strength after that retest at the midpoint of the next channel. Didn't see that rooftop, setting up for a reversal. Failed waves, short off the 33. Good downside strength, putting us right into the original macro 10. Set up other short opportunities off the high of the day. Also broke out from the high, but off the low. Setting up other reversals through our 8-hour midpoint and then retested the low of the day before moving all the way to the bottom of the next channel. Stalled out, setting up for long opportunities, moving back up. Over on the NQ, big macro view, staying above 653, looking for movements to 812. Hit that target before dropping down pretty quick and then came back into that range again. Started out in that macro 10 this morning. Off the key price level, moved down early hours, right at opening no. Bounced off the low of the day, the 8-hour look, setting up for a good long opportunity off the SR1, upside strength. Stalled out, some lower highs, setting up for shorts, little double top, moving all the way back down to the key price level. Stalled out, moving long. Never had strength to break out and holding at 812. Setting up for shorts all the way back down with some good downside strength all the way to the bottom of that next channel before setting up a reversal and turning right back around. 40.25 on my results today. Over on crude oil, big macro view this morning, staying below 93, looking for movements back to 64.80. Looking to break out of that range. We made that quick move down, but fell into that consolidation again. Little tight movements on oil, but start out in that macro 10 this morning. Right after the early morning move, held at the 8-hour look midpoint, moved all the way to the rooftop, did set up a little short back in that range, off the 8-hour rooftop, back to the midpoint. Made attempts to break out, just no strength to break that SR2. And getting above 93, which set up a nice little couple lower high short opportunities, little micro double top with downside strength breaking out through that daily midpoint and through the low of the day. Never had the strength to truly get down to the basement, fell into some consolidation, got that higher low, changed direction, setting up for a long back through the low of the day and off the SR back to the midpoint.